In this video, we're going to explore an example involving cosine using or remembering the trigonometric ratios. Sine is the opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And tangent is the opposite over adjacent. You will recall the mnemonic so, ka, toa to remember those ratios. In this video, we're going to be focusing on cosine. They ask us to solve or find side AB. So this is the side that we are looking for. We know that the long leg here is 6 inches and that angle B is 28 degrees. One of the first things I want to do when faced with a problem like this is to identify the opposite side, the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse. And often it's easiest to maybe even start with the hypotenuse, which is opposite the 90-degree angle, because then in relationship to the given angle there is an opposite side, and then the only other side not labeled would be adjacent. It happens to be the side that forms the angle along with the hypotenuse. Okay, since I'm given the adjacent and I'm looking for the hypotenuse, we would come to the trig ratios and see, okay, opposite, nope, we don't have that. Adjacent, yes, we're given that. And we want to find the hypotenuse. So this is why cosine is the trig ratio that we're going to use. Cosine of 28 degrees equals the adjacent side, 6 over the hypotenuse, x. To solve for x, we need to get it out of the denominator, and we're going to do that by multiplying both sides by x, which gives us x times the cosine of 28 degrees, which equals 6. Now, divide both sides to get x isolated by cosine 28 degrees. They ask us in the problem to round to the nearest tenth. So x is going to be approximately, and here we'll go to the calculator. Making sure that we're in degree mode, we would type 6 divided by cosine 28 degrees, which is 6.795. That's going to round to the nearest tenth at 6.8 inches. In this problem, the unit of measure is inches, so the length of side AB, the hypotenuse, is 6.8 inches. Hopefully, this example will be helpful to you as you are faced with using the cosine trig ratio to solve for a side.